Torsie friends, and welcome back to the Torsie channel for a special unboxing video of something that is a mystery to me. This is a gift from our incredible community member Angie. I know a little bit about what is in here insofar as it is handmade, and that Angie has said to me a couple of times, I keep adding things to the box, and boy didn't you. I did not expect something this size. No, I did not. I picked this up from my PO box the other day and then immediately screamed, Angie, what have you done? It's huge. I don't know what's in here. I just know that I love so far that it's wrapped in paper that is very eco-friendly. Big fan of that. Let's find out together what is going on. But before we even get started, I do have to say thank you. Thank you so much. I have no idea what I've done to deserve this kind of effort and time and love. And without even seeing what's inside, I know that I am so grateful for you and for your energy and for your presence in this community. Thank you so much, Angie. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get into it. Gotcha. Okay. Angie. Look at the, how much did you, Angie, what have you done? I can't, you're kidding. Oh, okay, one by one, Torsie. How, oh my God, I can't possibly have done anything to have deserved this. Thank you so much. Look how beautiful this is. Oh God, that performance, that moment in time, that look, so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I won't read you the whole note, but I love that there is a bit in there that says, howdy from Houston, with a little asterisk that says, that's Texan for g'day. I love that. Oh my God, Angie, thank you so much. I'll put that in there for safekeeping. Angie, is this you? Do you have like an Etsy? I will hold this up to the camera in just a second. Do you have an Etsy, or did you get these stickers from the Etsy? Oh my God, look how cute. Oh, they're cards. Ooh, from Mon Codex. Look. Yes. Oh God. What an era. I love it. Oh, my voice just cracked doing that. Oh my God. Yes. Look. Oh, I need to find a way to make space on my phone. I so don't have enough space to put that there. Maybe I stick it to my forehead. Okay, we can all check that out. That's where those came from. Thank you. Oh my God, I love that. Oh, no, let's look at that again. Look, the color, the shine, the attainment of it all. Oh, I'm extremely happy about that. That is so gorgeous. Ah, I'm so overwhelmed. I don't even know what I'm doing with my hands right now. So this says SHINee. Look at all this pearl aqua. Please just look at this again. This is all hand done by Angie. Sorry, I keep yelling. Very overwhelmed and excited. Ah! Oh God. SHINee. Ooh, what just fell out? Here are 5 cloths. Let's try that again. Here are 5 cloths, each one with its own individual characteristics, just like our 5 boys. When we put the 5 cloths together, they become a special unit, just like our beloved SHINee. What am I looking at? Oh, look, 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 they're diamonds. The diamonds, the diamonds. Sorry about the glare. There's one. How? How? I literally don't understand how people are able to do things like this. 2, 3. These are incredible. Oh, where should I put these? Where should I use these? Oh, look at the edge on this one. I don't know how people do this. You have no idea. I know this is crocheting, but like I once tried knitting. It was bad times at the El Royale. Like I could not get it sorted. I couldn't figure it out. How have you done this? Look how cute this is. It's the edges, right? Yeah. Oh. All of the borders are different. Oh my God. This is incredible. Oh, my house is going to be super lacquer. That was a slightly evil laugh. Just like slowly my K-popness is creeping out of this room and going into the rest of the house. That is so beautiful. Oh, I love them. Oh, where can I put them? Oh, where can I use them? Do they actually live in here? Because there is also the element that I am just like selfish and want everything for myself on here, especially since this is now extended. So I have room to put lots of delightful things. So overwhelmed. Okay, kitchen. This says kitchen. Oh my God, there's so much in here. There's so much in here. How long did this take you? Ooh. Oh. What? This is incredible. How do you do this? This is amazing. Oh, I like how my brain is trying to figure everything out, but can't. How did you get all of the right colors? Was that difficult? You're going to have to tell everybody in the comments how and where. Look, this is sparkly. How and where you managed to get all these materials, because I know so much of this community is so incredibly crafty and will want to know. Oh, I don't know how. Oh, my brain can't. This is like a scratchy surface, like a really textured surface. Shall I do this up to the microphone so you can hear it? Impromptu ASMR. So many. So many. This is unbelievable. How cute. Oh my God. I mean, are you just one of those people who's like spectacularly fast at this sort of thing? I'm amazed. Oh my God, it's so Torsie pink. Oh, I love it. Oh, I literally blended into my top just then. Oh my gosh, look at how like cool and stiff that is. Like really structured. Oh, with the frilly edge. Oh my God. I'm obsessed. These are amazing. And another, oh, look at the colors. How? What's fun about giving this sort of thing to somebody who's as untalented as I am in this area is sheer amazement, because this is like magic to me. I can only imagine that this just took a ridiculously long time, because certainly it would take a ridiculously long time for me. So shiny. Get it? Shiny. in which, how did you put this much effort into everything? Thank you so much. I don't know what to do next. Cup cozy. This says cup cozy. But I mean, it's not one, oh my God, a purple one. And a pearl aqua one. How do you make them round? This is like, okay, but seriously, I don't understand how you make them round. How do you connect them to each other? Things are amazing to me. And all three colors. Thank you so much. I can't wait to use these. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Oh God. Oh, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. My head's going to explode. What's this one? This one has no label on it. So we're just going to find out. Would you look at, how do you wiggle it like that? Look, it's all wiggly. She has no descriptive words. How do you loop it through like that? Why are you amazing? Look. Oh my God. Oh, that's satisfying. Oh my God. Friends. Romans. Countrymen. My head's exploding. My head is exploding. Another Torsie pink. This is just, look. This is just incredible. I don't know how you do this. I don't understand. How do you make it one piece like that? You're just laughing at me, not understanding how crocheting works. Like but I don't understand how it works. And I'm amazed. That is incredible. Oh my God. Bath cloths. So these things can get wet. Bath cloths. Right? Or am I crazy pants? It's possible I'm crazy pants. So many of them as well. So many of them. These are gorgeous. And I mean, I don't know whether I'm holding them up too quickly, but they're all slightly different. They've all got like different borders on them and everything. And like tighter and looser weaves and patterns and everything. Look at this beautiful purple. It's like a jacaranda. It's gorgeous. Oh my. Woo. Oh. Satisfying round ones. It's the roundness that gets me, because like I understand how you could make a square, because at some point you go and then you finish it, but I don't know how you round things. Blowing my tiny mind. Absolutely blowing my tiny mind. Face scrubby. I had no idea you could do this with this material. No idea. So that like, I thought it looked like a loofah. This really could be a loofah. Like you get these things wet. Look at these. Perfect little face scrubbies. I am a big environmentalist and I refuse to use like single-use things. I love this. Oh, I love this so much. Thank you. I can't believe you can... How little do I know about the world? That I'm like, you can get this material wet? I'm such an idiot. I don't understand things. I should, because aren't there people who make like bikinis out of this material, and therefore I should know that you can get it wet? But it's still blowing my mind. There's just so much. I'm gonna pass out after this. I'm too excited. Oh my God, it's the melding of the two colors. With a shiny keyring attached to it. I'm going to cry. I'm going to cry. Look, please look. Oh my God. Hold it the right way, Victoria. What in the living daylights? Look at this. Look. Why did I not know these two colors went so well together? I'm so happy. I'm so happy I'm going to explode. What am I going to do? This is too much. Oh God, I don't deserve this. This really, I don't know if I ever say it enough, so I'm gonna say it again. I mean, obviously, I started this channel because I just really like K-pop and I like music and performance and I wanted to have fun with it. But what will always keep me going and coming back and enjoying what I do is our community. I mean, I dream about a day where we're all going to be at a concert together. You know what I mean? And we just team up because we're all over the place. And it does amaze me just how far and wide this community goes. And being able to come together will be incredible. I don't, oh my God, I don't know what to do. Angie, thank you so much. This is so much. You did not have to do this much. I would have been amazed, delighted, overwhelmed, and grateful with one thing. It's so many, so much. I'm gonna try and put it all back in again so you can all see once again just how much it is as a collective. I mean, I've kind of exploded it out now, but like, excuse me. The sheer amount of everything. I'm trying so hard not to cry. I'm trying so hard not to cry. It's making me sick trying not to cry. Ah! Look again, please. Please look again. Sorry about where this is with my mic. Please appreciate again the sheer amount. Oh. Angie, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really cannot imagine the time and the effort it took you to do this. I really can't. I don't even a little bit have a skill like this, so this amazes me on every level, and it must have just taken you so long. I appreciate you so much. I appreciate your presence in this community. I know everybody else does as well. This is beyond anything. I feel so spoiled. Ah, don't cry. Thank you. Thank you so much for being a part of this. Thank you so much for your time and your effort and your love. I'm so grateful. These are incredible. I have no words. All I can say is thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please, everybody, show Angie a lot of love in the comments and ask any questions about how or where Angie got all these amazing colors or get patterns. Did you make the patterns up yourself? How are you that clever? Oh, my mind. Please answer all of my questions. Tell me how you did this, because I don't understand. Thank you again. Thank you so, so, so much. Whew. Sending you all of my love. Thank you. One more time. One more time. I look forward to seeing you all again soon for more SHINee love and Taemin love. We're getting closer to our guy coming back, closer to a SHINee comeback, and then we can all be Pearl Aqua together. Thank you so much for joining me. Sanida, saringeyo, and I will see you soon for more. Annyeong!